Hey everyone, Wade here from Tutoring, and as always, it's nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on labeling the heart, and this was prepared by the Tutoring team. So let's jump in. Label parts A to I of the heart. So we've got this diagram of the heart and all the different regions are labeled. So let's start by writing down all the labels. A to I. Okay, now that we got that down, let's talk about it. This first part here, we are referring to an atrium, and this is the right atrium of the heart, the opposite because you're looking down on it. So that is right atrium. B is our right ventricle. C, now we're on the left side of the heart, is the left atrium. And D is our left ventricle. Okay. Next label is E. E is coming from the left ventricle up, and that blood goes from the left ventricle through the aorta. So E is the aorta. Okay. F. Blood goes from the right ventricle through the structure labeled F to the lungs, and that structure is the pulmonary artery. When you hear the term pulmonary, it generally refers to something in relation to the lungs. The next structure is G. Now, this structure allows blood to return back to the heart from the lungs. So that would be the pulmonary vein. Okay. H. H allows blood to return from the top half of the body back to the heart, and that is the superior vena cava. And I allows blood to return from the lower half of the body back to the heart, and that is our inferior vena cava. And now you've labeled the diagram of a heart. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor. They have helped make this video possible. You can read all about them in the description below. Be sure to also visit our website for more epic video tutorials. And if you can't find the answer to your question, you can always send it to us and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.